greetings to all of you. First, I would like to inform all people I have some throat infection, so in between my words and sentence may be jumbled. Please cooperate with me. Even then, I want to share my beautiful experience in a serene, beautiful small village in Kerala where we spent some time with my kids. Last year, I have been visited in my childhood friend's house and I already published a video. I think some of you could remember that. This year, due to some emergency, we dropped in one remote area of Kerala. As all of you understand here, due to pandemic, we are facing so many hardships, including like a financial health and issues now. Then we could not be enjoy Christmas like last year. But what I would like to suggest to all of you, instead of spending time for stress relief, some programs or yoga or meditation, which also will help. Even then, you can enjoy and you can rejuvenate your mind and body. If the body is not the fit, only the mind, but all you know more than wealth, health is most important in this era. So when I visited this place and when we came out of the city, even kids also and my hubby and all people I think rejuvenated. We just sat for a while over here, then we didn't think of any of the business or other tensions. So I am advising or suggesting or I don't know what to say because I am so excited to see this river. My younger one thought he has to wear swimming suit like as usual, but here no, the beautiful village ladies are taking this bath in traditional way, and then all are so happy. That doesn't mean they don't have any tensions. As a human being, all people will have different type of stress and tension, but more than city people, they are competing with their all problems with the spiritual or other things, and they are more confident than us. But the city people, I feel, even me also, a small problem, we are exaggerating and we are thinking something is going to happen, danger. Nothing like that. But you just try to interact with the serene nature, spend some time with your loved ones and enjoy every aspects and moments of life. We can find out happiness. It is happiness, all of you are aware that we have to create. We can't expect somebody will come and motivate you. Always I used to say, we can rejuvenate ourselves, we can be happy, we can be positive, then we can spread that beautiful energy to our dear ones, near ones, and we can make them positive. So this year we can think like we should be a positive person and all sense whatever we do difficulties face like this. Sometimes no, you just get out of the difficult life like a business or money maintaining whatever our ambitions, which is you just don't think. Sometime in 24 hours you just take time to get out of the hectic world, come and enjoy like the serene nature. Even if few minutes also, the energy which you are gaining from that beautiful moments will be precious for your kids too. We need not put our kids for what no nowadays city. What I am seeing is so many counseling center and we are telling the teen sons to go and attend the programs and all. More than that, the parents, because nuclear family, all parents, my suggestion, just to find out some time to spend with our small cute kids, and parents should let them enjoy nature. First we have to enjoy nature, then slowly they will understand. More than visiting in Dubai or Switzerland, the city, no, they will rejuvenate our energy. More than that, we are born and brought up in Kerala. Don't waste your time, just enjoy nature and rejuvenate yourself. Then you can meditate sitting here and you can spend beautiful so many moments. Then I would not like to say then so many things I am again repeating because I am so excited. After 10 months only I came out of Bangalore. Okay, so I will show you some beautiful serene nature. You can also enjoy with me. Then spend some time exclusively for our family. Okay, the business meeting, other things one day, no, you just forget for our kids and wives or husbands and rejuvenate and distress yourself without paying any amount. Interact with the nature. Nature is good, nature cure will be our motto for next year. Please try and experience. Dear ones, this is our river I told because we studied already in city also. We are thinking river is only for this one, no, transportation and getting electricity and all. But what I understood from my this experience, My kids and my family fully enjoyed in this river. They done some fishing and they have spent more time over here. Then they all are happy now. So what I am suggesting is, even though you need not go to these big hotels and swimming pool, just enjoy like this all places, and you really know you will thank for all this beautiful nature which is precious and no cost. Once again, I am wishing all people a good year ahead and be happy always. Always no. Try to be very little moments with your loved ones. Then give them good, beautiful memories which I had been in my childhood. So I could love everybody. Okay. So friends, now just I am signing off. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.